Hello 2T1. Now for today's lesson, we'll be doing worksheet 9.3 road accidents. Now road traffic in Singapore can be very heavy at times. So it's important that you practice road safety and do not jaywalk. Now you have to create an animation showing the consequences of jaywalking. And you need to record a lesson on road traffic. So what we need to do is we need to remove all the vehicles except one of the cars. Okay, which is the red car, and we'll need to insert a suitable pedestrian. Now, the behavior of the car is such that we'll need to modify the original script such that once the car touches the pedestrian, it stops moving and plays a screeching sound. The script will then ends. So let's start. So we'll open the file, worksheet 9.1 road traffic. Okay, before I do that, I'm going to make a duplicate of it, and I'm going to rename this worksheet 9.3 underscore my name. So next I'm going to open out a file. So this is actually the file that is worksheet 9.1. So the first thing you need to do is delete all the characters except for the red car. Next, we'll need to modify the scripts. Now, I would also want you to delete the backdrop that says road traffic. Okay, so we'll proceed with such that when green flag is clicked, you straight away switch to the backdrop night scene. So we'll remove these scripts. Next, we'll go to the car. So when green flag is clicked, the car will actually initialize to a position on the left. So this position is -190, -50. So we will not need these scripts that says height and weight 2 seconds and show. Alright, when green flag is clicked, the car will go to the position on the left. So now when I click on green flag, the car moves to the position on the left. Next, okay, we need to modify the original script such that once the car touches the pedestrian, it stops moving and plays a screeching sound. So we'll need to bring in repeat until. Okay, repeat until it touches the man. So with that, we'll need to bring in the character of the man. So I'm going to upload the character. Okay, bring the character of a man. I'm going to shrink this. Right, once I've done it, I'm going to remove the white portion. So click on the fill tool, click on this. Okay, red stroke. Okay, remove the white portions of it. Next, I'm going to import the costume of this man, which is the shock man. And after which, I'm going to again remove the white portions of it. Right, next. Now that I have the man, I can go back to the script of the red car. Under scripts, okay, I'm going to bring in repeat until it touches the man, which is a character. Okay, now the car will continue to move 10 steps and weight 0.1, and if the car touches the edge, it will go back to the start of the screen. Okay, I will shrink the car a bit such that it doesn't start touching the edge. Okay, after which, if the car touches the man, what will happen is you'll play the sound horn and you'll stop the script. So I will be checking whether do I have the file horn under students. Yes, there's a file called horn. So what I need to do is I'll need to delete this and import the sound horn. Okay, this is the horn sound. After which, go back to the script and I can go to sound category. Alright, you play the sound horn when it touches the man, and after which it will stop the script. So this part here, okay, it will stop this script. Next, so we have done this. Okay, we modify the original script such that once the car touches a pedestrian, it stops moving and plays a screeching sound. Now, the behavior of pedestrian. The pedestrian appears at a fixed location at the opposite side of the road and starts crossing the road at an angle. So what this means is, okay, we must initialize the position of the man. Alright, because he appears at a fixed location, and since the man has two costumes, we also need to initialize the costume of the man. So let's go to the character of the man, right? Under scripts, okay, as always, start with when green flag is clicked. So I need to initialize the costume of the man. So switch to the man first. Next, I need to initialize the position of the man. So go to motion. You'll go to, alright, this position is about 209 and 9. So let's check this location. Okay. I want the man to appear somewhere, to start from somewhere here. So in other words, okay, this position here is about 1828. So here, okay, let's choose another position. Minus 1632. So I'm going to put in minus 1632. Right? Next, I want the man to show. Okay, let's go back to the instructions again. The pedestrian appears at a fixed location at the opposite side of the road and starts crossing the road at an angle. If he touches the edge of the screen, alright, the edge of the screen here, he will reappear at the original location again at the opposite side of the road and starts crossing the road at an angle. If he touches the car, he will change to a shocked man and scream. The pedestrian then disappears, which means he hides and the script ends. So if you use hide, it means that you must use show. So we have initialized the position of the man as well as the costume. Next, we must use repeat until. So repeat until it touches the car. So under sensing, we can choose the character of the car, red car, and the man will move 10 steps. The man will wait 0.2. Okay, and if the man touches the edge, so over here, if the man successfully crossed the road, what happened? You appear back to this position again. So under sensing, if touching edge, okay, the man will appear back at that location. Okay, and if the man touches red car, he will switch to shock man. Alright, and then we'll allow it to wait 1 second, and the man will hide and the script will stop. Hide, under control, alright, put down, stop this script. Right, so with that, let's test the animation. Now as you can see, the man is moving in this direction and does not cross the road. So what it means is, under the direction, we need to adjust the direction such that the man, okay, moves at an angle. So click on don't rotate. Alright, and we want the man to move at an angle in this direction down. So press the green flag. Alright, so the script actually works. Okay. So the car doesn't hide. Right? It's just the man that hides. Click on green flag again. Okay. So let's look at the instructions again. Okay, the pedestrian then disappear, the script ends. Okay, if you would like to test whether what happens if the man successfully crosses the road, will the man reappear at the other side of the road? So what we need to do is we need to change the speed of some of this thing over here. So the man, I can make him such that he walks slower. So when green flag is clicked, okay, then we can make it such that he walks faster. Okay, it works. Alright, so it works. Alright, when a man touches the other side of the road, he will reappear on the other side of the road. Alright. So this is worksheet 9.3. Do remember to save it as worksheet 9.3 _ your name. Thank you for watching my video.